So I'm making a smoothie bowl. For the smoothie bowl, I need my blendy, which I got off Instagram. This is like the viral blendy right now, which is my favorite. So I just washed it for the smoothie. We need maple syrup. I am out of bananas today, so I'm going to be using maple syrup for sweetness. Obviously, some plant-based milk. My favorite is oat milk. I'm going to be using some of these frozen fruits. I'm going to top off my smoothie with these dry fruits. Then I also have some seeds to top it up as well. So that's all I need for my smoothie. So let's get started. That's how our smoothie bowl looks, everyone. It is amazing. This just looks so good that I just want to eat it right now. I'm just gonna top it up with some of these pumpkin chia mixed seeds, and then I'd like to put some dry fruits as well. So just like, and that is a really nice smoothie bowl with some seeds, and it's just delicious. Let me know if you do try it out. Just got ready. If I do not get ready, I don't feel like starting my day out right. So now that I'm ready, we are ready to make some lunch for us. Today I'm thinking of making udon noodles. I decide what I need to make depending on what is inside my fridge. So let's see if we have some veggies for udon or not. So the things I need for udon are bok choy. I would need some udon noodles, garlic, mushrooms, chili oil, very essential. We have some soy, we have oyster sauce, and then we have some dark soy. And that's all we would need for our udon noodles today. So let's start. The easiest thing to do is cut up bok choy, and this cooks really fast, so you're going to keep it in a separate bowl. Wash it. Once we have washed them, we will then transfer them to this bowl. We'll keep this aside. Next, we'll move on to our garlic. What we will do is cut off these udon and put them in.
A few minutes later.
Hey guys, so I have boiled my udon and I've also run it through cold water so it doesn't cook while it's getting drained. So that's my udon all cooked. It took 3 minutes to cook this, which is very less amount of time. I have my sauces spread out. I have done my preparation, so I have cut off mushrooms. I've cut up some garlic, so that's like 5 cloves of garlic. This is about 8 to 9 mushrooms, and that's my bok choy. So this is all done. Let's get started.
Few moments later.
Hey guys, so now that I have sauteed some mushrooms, I'm gonna put them on the side. That's how our udon noodles look like. What I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly add this. It's chicken seasoning and then it's complete. That's udon noodles served, everyone. It looks amazing. So I'm going to quickly eat this, everyone, for lunch, and then I will see you when I'm hungry next. Hey guys, so I had lunch I think half an hour ago. And whenever I eat something savory, I just need something sweet. Not a lot, but like a little bit. And my favorite chocolate is this, the sea salt flavor by Lindt. It's dark chocolate but with sea salt, so it's like really really nice, and it's my favorite one. So I have like a lot of these in my house. So whenever I'm like starving something sweet, I just have like one block and I'm done, and I just like keep the rest away. So I eat 2 blocks and that just satisfies my craving. So good.
Soon after.
Hey guys, so it is evening times. It's 6:30 p.m. It's been quite a few hours since I've had lunch. Although I'm still full with the udon noodles, I feel like drinking something sweet and cold and nice. And I love bubble tea. So I'm making one at home. For our bubble tea, we need 4 or 5 things. This is my breakfast tea. That's brown sugar. That's my hot water with breakfast tea, because I'm gonna let it soak in there for 5 minutes so it has some rich tea flavor. And then we have our oat milk. So let's make bubble tea. So I'm gonna fill half of my mason jar with ice. While this is sitting, I'm gonna already put in some milk inside. After I've put in my milk, I'm gonna put in the brown sugar. So while the tea is in the water, I can have a sweet milk thing happening in the glass while the brown sugar totally dissolves in the milk. So I'm gonna put a lot of brown sugar. Guys, whoever is on dieting or likes like healthy food, do not drink bubble tea, otherwise use honey as substitute. I am a big brown sugar fan and I think the taste is not the same with honey. So I'm gonna use brown sugar because I only drink bubble tea like once in a blue moon, so it's not that bad for my health. We mix it. This is all brown, which means it's totally dissolved. So guys, it has been 5 minutes. And now I'm gonna take off the tea bags from inside and dump them in the dustbin. And then I'm gonna put in the the tea in the milk. And then we mix again. Mix. And that's our evening snack, you all. A really nice glass of cold bubble tea. So good. I'm gonna now see you for dinner. Hey guys, it's 10:30 p.m. I'm pretty tired already, but dinner is ready because it's dinner time. For dinner, we are doing Indian food. We have dal makhani, which smells delicious, and we're doing some rice and topping it with ghee, obviously. This is super simple to make for anybody who's wondering. We get these packets from Waitrose, from this brand called the Spice Tailor, and you just put everything together on the pan and heat it with some oil and you're good to go. So this is made from this, and we just add some garlic and some onions for it to taste better, but that's about it. And that's dinner for tonight. I will see you tomorrow for breakfast.